I made a bunch of apple butter this morning. So I'm gonna take all these scraps down to the goats and chickens and ducks. You want some? River had his first apple peel yesterday, so he learned that he likes it. You want to share, Zeus? You don't want any? That's fine. Frog. You can't see it, but Ariel's rubbing her head up against the wall over here. It's been more time than I wanted between videos, and I wanted to come and just record something to share. I have this list of things that I want to create videos about. Some of them are cooking tutorials, some of them are time in the garden. Apparently, the way to create a successful YouTube channel is to have a schedule, and that is not something that I've ever been very good at, but I'm working on it. Routine, however, is another story, and that is the beauty of living on this little farm, is that I'm forced into a routine, at least for part of the day. So it starts with feeding everyone in the morning. Actually, right now I get up between 5 and 6, and I come out to milk Mary, who is not producing that much milk. I'm trying to do it consistently in the hopes that we're going to get more milk. I'm not so sure we're going to, but I have a little bit of hope. And that is actually the whole purpose of having the goats to begin with, is for milk. Although they turned out to be such a joy that, I don't know, I feel like I may as well just have them as pets if I'm gonna have dogs too. I love sharing my farm life with you and on social media, but the reality is, what most people see is the highlights, and of course that's normal, right? But all of these animals, as fun as they are this huge responsibility, not just in a physical way, but in a financial way. And I've been attempting to do it in a way that makes sense for us. Now, there's always poop to pick up. The barn always needs to be cleaned out. Someone's always making a mess. The duck pool always needs to be cleaned out. Everyone needs to be fed every day. Everyone needs clean water every day. I never want to portray this as easy. Seriously, Ariel? About a month ago, we had this 2-week period where we had 2 cat injuries. Something happened to Zuzu. She got sick and couldn't stand up. So she had to spend the day at the vet, and that was a mystery. And then we had a duck get her neck trapped in the middle of a gate, and I didn't think she was going to survive. And so all of those things happened. I think they actually happened within a 10-day period, and it was a very stressful and overwhelming time. When River was born, he actually was a twin. His sister was stillborn. That was the first time that had ever happened here. 10 other babies born on the farm without incident. And so that was my experience, was that it was easy-ish and good. And so having a stillborn baby was really heartbreaking. There he is. Getting River out of the deal was the only saving grace in that situation. So while this might be a lot of cuteness, this is the reward. This is the reward for the hard work, and for the expense, and for the not sleeping through the night because the dogs are barking at predators. And so I just wanted to be clear that this isn't easy. This isn't an easy life that I've chosen. It's hard to go on vacation. Most of the time we have a goat and milk, so I need someone that knows how to milk. You can see how big this boy is getting. He's so big now. I hate using this word blessed. I don't know why I use it. Maybe because I feel like it's an overused word. I can't zoom out without having an immense amount of gratitude for where I live and how I live. And I'm right now in the overwhelm of the season. I'm trying to find little things that help guide me to a place of goodness, instead of a place of stress. And a couple ways that I'm doing that, obviously time with animals, music. I'm really trying to dedicate any TV time to shows that make me feel good. And I'm just trying to take action in the places that I can take action. I just don't want to mislead anyone into thinking that this sweet little life is all easy and beautiful and cute. It can be extremely annoying. It can be annoying and cute at the same time. It can be hard. It can be beautiful. I think that's one of the lessons here is that it's like nature creating balance and the human screwing it up. I hope there's something in your life that helps you find perspective. I know sometimes when we're in overwhelm that it's hard to find clarity, and sometimes we just need space and quiet and calm to really reflect. I think I will sign off, and you can expect regular programming on your next videos. But I just wanted some real life, real talk for a minute before I moved on. See you next time. Bye.